3. Okay. Alright, let's look at how to apply quadratic functions in the questions related to economy. Alright. Example 4. A company learned that the demand function for its product is Q equals to 48 minus 3P, where P represents the unit price and Q represents the quantity demanded for the product. So we are asked to find the revenue function and then determine the quantity for which the revenue is maximized, and then see what is the maximum value of the revenue generated. Okay. So first we find the revenue function. So revenue function is given by P times Q, where Q, we have been given Q equals to 48 minus 3P. So shift the 3P to the left, shift the Q to the right. So we need to find what is P. So P equals to 16 minus 1 over 3Q. So we substitute this into the P here. Alright. So we have 16 minus 1 over 3Q times Q. So we will get 16 times Q, 16Q. And then 1/3 Q times Q, we will get 1 over 3Q square. Alright. So that will be the function of revenue. Right. So next, let's take y equals to 16Q, where Q is represented by x now, minus 1 over 3 x squared. Right. So we compare with ax squared plus bx plus c. So we shall have a equals to negative 1 over 3 and b equals to 16. Alright. Of course c equals to 0. Alright, so from here, in order to find the maximum or minimum, we have to use the formula x equals to negative b over 2a. So substitute b with 16, substitute a with negative 1 over 3. So from here, the answer is 24. Alright. Hence, x is represents q just now. Therefore, we say q equals to 24 will maximize the revenue, since a is negative. Negative means maximum. Okay. And the third question, when q is equals to 24, what will be the revenue when the quantity is at q equals to 24? Because we say q equals to 24 will maximize the revenue. So how to find the maximum revenue? So we substitute q equals to 24 into the revenue function, which is 16q minus q square over 3. So substitute q with 24. Here you substitute 24. So we should get 16 times 24 minus 24 square over 3. So from here 16 times 24 is 384 minus 24 square is 576 over 3. Alright, so 576 divided by 3 is 192. Therefore 384 minus 192 will give us 192. Therefore the maximum revenue is given by 192 ringgit. Okay. So next, to find the maximum value of R is when y equals to P. Alright. So substitute into y equals to 4ac minus b square over 4a. So we will get the answer equals to 192. Hence the maximum value of revenue is 192 ringgit. Okay. Okay, let's look at example 5. Given the function of cost c equals to q square minus 6q plus 16, we are asked to find the quantity that minimizes the cost. And then what is the minimum cost? So here we take take y represents c. So we have y equals to q, substitute with x. So we have y equals to x square minus 6a plus 16. Okay. So we take this equation to represent the cost function. So here, if we compare with ax square plus bx plus c, then we say a is equals to 1, b is equals to negative 6, and then c is equals to 16. So since a is 1 and 1 is greater than 0, then we say the graph is a minimum. Alright, minimum. So to find the value of b square, the value of b square minus 4ac is less than 0,